HOBOT-SP10 iScraper. Test and comparison. Air leakage and frames test. HOBOT-SP10 iScraper comes with patented edge leakage sensors. It reacts instantly to air leaks from window seals, frameless edges, or minor bumps against window frames. Unlike other robots that may fail on narrow gaps. It also identifies even the smallest air leaks between glass panels, ensuring precise edge detection for safer and more reliable cleaning. HOBOT-SP10 iScraper is optimized to work against all types of window frames. Extensive frame testing during development is our essential procedure to ensure HOBOT is always safe and simple to use. It detects precisely even in challenging conditions, such as gaps smaller than 5 mm or ultra-thin frames under 2 mm, to minimize the risk of falls. Unlike other brands, HOBOT-SP10 iScraper easily navigates various types of window seals, including those that cause other robots to fail. Here are a few examples where other brands couldn't detect the seal, leading to incomplete cleaning cycles. While other leading brands achieve only 64% to 73% compatibility, HOBOT-SP10 delivers a perfect 100% pass rate across all frame test conditions, offering zero-risk cleaning on every window. Incline test. Experience ultimate cleaning flexibility. HOBOT-SP10 iScraper isn't just for vertical windows, it's designed to safely operate on inclined glass ranging from 7 degrees to 100 degrees. Whether it's a sloped glass roof for the greenhouse or a unique architectural angle, it maintains a strong grip within this safe range.